Namaste, all dear APGT aspirants. The examination date has been announced. People have been preparing rigorously for the entrance exam. Here, Dr. Mallikarjun Visanda Vaidya will be sharing a video with containing some mnemonics and tricks which might help you for your this last moment reading. So, one of the important aspect of the entrance is the remembering of the tikas of the Brihatraya and Laghutrayas. Among that, the first one we are going to discuss is the Charaka Samhita tikas. There are totally 45. Sorry, there are totally 43 tikas has been there for Charaka Samhita. Among those is 17 are Samskrita tikas. Okay, among them in Samskrita 9 are available. To remember the tikas and the tikakaras names, let us remember with a trick. Okay, for Charakanyasa, who written Charakanyasa tika? Charakanyasa tika written by Bhattara Harishchandra. How can we remember it? Is Charakanyasa. Nyasa is Nyaya. Nyaya is done by Sri Harishchandra. We can Satya Harishchandra, Bhattara Harishchandra. Charakanyasa. Okay. Then Charaka Panjika written by Swami Kumaradasa. Swami Kumara, how can we remember it is Charaka Panjika. Panjika means Panju. Panju udukona ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಪಂಜು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಕುಮಾರ. ನಿರಂತರ ಪದವಾಕ್ಯ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬೈ ಜಜ್ಜಟ. ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಜಯ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಜಯ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ನಿರಂತರ ಪದವಾಕ್ಯ ಜಜ್ಜಟ. ಚರಕವರ್ತಿಕ ಬೈ ಕ್ಷೀರಸ್ವಾಮಿ ದತ್ತ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಚರಕವರ್ತಿಕ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ತಿ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಷೀರಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಪರಿಹಾರ ವರ್ತಿಕ ಬೈ ಆಷಾಢ ವರ್ಮ. ಹೌ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರಿಹಾರ ವರ್ತಿಕ. In Ashada Masa, we do some rituals to get Parihara, that we can remember like that. For Ashada Varma, it is Parihara Vartika. Then Bruhatantra Pradeepa written by Naradatta. It is Bruhat Nara, Doddavadantaha Mansha, Hangagi, can remember it is Bruhat Tantra is Naradatta. Okay, Charaka Chandrika is written by Gayadasa. How can remember it is Charaka Chandrika is Chandramukhi. In that movie, there is a man called as Chandramukhi made Devadasa. He made another person Devadasa. You can remember who written Chandramukhi is Gayadasa. Like that we can remember it is. Charaka Bhashya written by Sri Krishna Vaidya. How can you remember it is Charaka Bhashya can be understood as Bhashana. In Mahabharata, Sri Krishna gives speech like no. So you can remember Sri Krishna Bhashana, it is Charaka Bhashya. Ayurveda Deepika written by Chakrapani Datta. Chakrapani. Ayurveda Deepika by Chakrapani. Deepa we can hold in our Pani. Like that we can remember it. Then Charaka Tattva Pradipika written by Shivadasena. How can remember it is Shivatattva. If you remember as Shivatattva, it is Charaka Tattva Pradipika Shivadasa Sena. Charaka Prakasha Kaustubha written by Narasimha Kavidasa. How can remember it? Narasimha, when he comes out of the wall, that is the if you remember Narasimha Avtara, there will be more lightning. So Pradeepa, that is Prakashamana. You can remember it is Charaka Prakasha Kaustubha by Narasimha Shiva Kaviraja. Charakopaskara written by Yogendranath Sena. How can you remember it is Upakara is done by yogis. Okay, can remember as Upakara done by yogis. Yogendranath Sena, Charakopaskara. Jalpa Kalpataru written by Gangadhar Roy. Sorry. How can you remember it is Jala is Ganga. You can remember Jalpa. Remember Jala Ganga, Jalpa Kalpataru, Gangadhar Roy. Charaka Pradipika. How can you remember Charaka Pradipika? Charaka Pradipika is Jyotish Chandra Saraswati. Pradeepa is lightning. Pradeepa occurs from the Jyotish Chandra Saraswati. We can remember it as. Charaka Vakya written by Janadasa. can remember Jainas have some Vakyas, we have to that they follow it like that. Janadasa is Charaka Vakya.